So, Luke's brand new workshop. We're 2 hours late starting work, and this is what he's doing with his free time. Yeah, just take advantage of all this extra space and fuck about. We ain't even got that sort of time, I'm afraid.
Did you like the smoke effect?
Yeah, but now you've kind of ruined it by talking like that. Luke, watch out.
Welcome to the workshop. Come and take a look. Oh, we actually didn't show you this yesterday. We did start unloading yesterday. This is the first lot of stuff we got from Yakid, my mum's garage, which is actually more than I thought it was going to be. Nothing is where it's going to be. We've obviously got to now move everything else in and see where it's going to be. We've got a toilet being built over there with water heater, sink and everything. That's where that's going to go. Obviously still need to find a place for ramps, cars, got plenty of, got loads of cars to get here as well. all the mad projects, I'm sure we'll do a little video on each of them, show you what they're about and what we've done so far. But yeah, this is it. This is the new base, the new premises. So, I suppose next step is carry on moving stuff in and take you guys with us. Right, what are we doing? We are at the old workshop. This is the old workshop. It's very messy at the moment, but that's because I haven't been putting anything back because, well, it's all getting packed up now, so put some electricity on. Yeah, that's it, that's what we got. We first will need to get some of the vehicles back, i.e. the Micra, or the Cycra, the Mivic. It's got a Honda Civic engine in, but we shall go more into that at a later date. Basically, me and Adam built this car, what was it, August last year?
I checked, it was,
July or August last year.
You already knew.
And yeah, it's an awesome little car. I actually daily drove it for several months, so only until I had my kid that I got a more practical car.
Okay.
Well, that's a daily. That's not my practical car. You know what car I've got.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't work.
Sort of work. But yes, we need to get this to the workshop. There is just one small problem.
Walk us through the problem, Luke. Why can't we drive this just yet?
Someone nicked my steering wheel. No, quick release steering wheel. You just quickly undo 6 bolts. Yeah, so, but I have a spare. This is a MX-5 actually, factory. And that is an MX-5 Boss, actually, as it happens. Yeah, it turns out Mazda MX-5 Mark 1 Boss fits Nissan Micra hubs, which is good news for you K10 Micra people, because there are no hub kits for a K10 Micra, or not that I've found. So, yeah, Mazda MX-5. Anyway, we'll put a steering wheel on quickly. And see if this old beast starts. It hasn't started in a while, and it is messy. I know.
Could have cleared it out.
It's gonna be a lot different from the old race car. And I reckon we'll strip it because it's past the point now. Like the amount of stuff we've changed, it's past the point of being a collectible K10 Micra.
No, nobody's going to pay money for this.
You know, things like that.
Things like this hole. This
Yeah,
orange hole.
It's not really. It's not ever going to be a clean example, so we might as well go all out on it, I reckon. Race car. Right, trying to start the race car. First key.
Every good race car has an isolator. No. No, she's done. That was fun. Although it gives us a good opportunity to have a wee gander
Oh no, but it's messy.
at why it doesn't start, because it's not a Nissan.
It's not. No, it's got a Honda D14A1. Now that is a single cam. D series is single cam. The 14 is the capacity, so 1400. It's a 1.4. Running twin carbs.
Where does the bonnet latch go?
Goes in there, mate.
Oh.
You know where it says, where it's got the arrow, you know,
No.
and it says RU, you know, RU for
Rheumatitis.
I don't know. But yeah, so this is what we did last year. It's not great. We just wanted to see if it could be done, and it does. It worked. So next step will be to just tidy it up, redo some of the mounts which are a bit mucky. Also, I checked with the spirit level. It's slightly downwards on this side.
With a spirit level, not
Yeah.
with your eyes.
Yeah, well, and eyes made me check with the spirit level. Yeah, this mount needs to come up basically. Drive shafts need to be done properly. Wiring could do being better. Ignition leads are mixed match. You know, it was actually, this is the ideal budget project car build because we built this car from stuff in the workshop,
Except for the engine.
except for the engine.
Yeah. But yeah,
we
it
bought
was.
the engine for it, but the actual conversion we did with just parts
Well, that's
from the
it.
workshop.
We got
Yeah.
an engine and then just made
and
it
then
work.
just made it fit.
Yeah.
The stuff we had. So yeah, it was a really cool budget build. Unfortunately, there's no footage of that.
There is. Loads of
actually,
loads of pictures.
Well,
yeah.
loads of pictures. So we'll do a little montage in another video. We'll show you what we did. So yeah, we'll show you all that. But there will be more videos of this car on the channel. More doing stuff to it. So you will, yeah. The journey with this has only just begun, really. We just wanted to get
You've
it
got to
working.
do the voice. The journey
Oh.
has just
Yeah, what
begun.
I was trying to do. Shut up. Right, let's jump start it. You can stop recording now.
I can what?
You can stop recording now because we're now going to cut to another video where I jump start.
I thought we were professionals. What do they say instead of stop recording?
Pause.
Oh, you're so stupid. Try again. So, we're off again in the Civic, unfortunately.
Yeah, the micro didn't start because the battery's flat because it hasn't been started in a while. And the jump leads,
Which
are,
we were promised were in this car.
were in this car, are actually in my other car. Yes, viewers, there's going to be a lot of in this car.
Yes, because there's a lot of cars.
There is a lot of cars. Currently, the Mohican Motorsport family consists of 5 cars of mine.
How many of these 5 work?
This works. 1. The Fiat works. 2. The Micra works when it's jump started. That's 3. Mondeo works. It's 4.
For how? Yeah, but how fast can
They all start.
How fast can the 150 mile an hour Ford actually go?
Oh, about 30. But yeah, we're gonna go get that now because it's got the jump leads in it. So that will come back to the workshop and we can pour into that some more. Maybe probably at a later date. We've got too much stuff to do actually at the moment. But yeah, we'll see you at the Mondeo. To the Ford, just like I said, the jump leads were in there.
Were they?
Yeah.
What about that random plastic bag that was in the boot of the vehicle you checked first? Were they? What was in that bag?
What was there, Adam? What are you at that?
I can't possibly imagine that's the standard height for which you're supposed to.
Yeah, all Hondas do that.
What about the arrow, Luke? What about the arrow with nothing written next to it?
You've got two settings. You've got obviously just general opening the bonnet, having a look at that height.
General
But
maintenance and full repair.
Yeah, but full repair is, you know, right out of the way. No, honestly, all Hondas do that. It's great. That's
To be
why,
fair, that is a random hole, and
No,
that side,
That's why there's a knot.
yeah, that side doesn't have it.
Yeah, it is what it's for, honestly.
That's really embarrassing for Honda
No, it's
that they
for
had to build that
No, it's for technicians to make it easier for them.
because they have to work on them so often.
Not really.
Not really.
And on this day, upon this plain of land, we shall see if the beast once more shall live.
Yes.
Our once vanquished foe rises from the ashes like a phoenix.
Or Oh, that's good.
It make clickies. Alright, shut the fuck up. That was really annoying.
I know. Will it start? Oh, who fucking broke my aerial?
That wasn't me. It actually wasn't
I
me.
know it wasn't you. It's been vandalised. Come on, baby. Don't let me down.
Ooh.
Nearly.
There's a mad little car. I fucking love it.
So, a lot has changed since we last picked up a camera, hasn't it, Adam? Well, two reasons really. I mean, A, we were on a time limit with the rental van, and B, I was ill. I still am a bit ill.
You're a pussy.
Yeah, I'm ill as shit. So, we put the cameras down for a bit and we cracked on. And now look. Da-na-na-na, starting to look more like a workshop now. So the toilet is getting closer. It's now got electricity and a water heater. Got a little tea and coffee area over there.
Functioning?
Ruster, the micro is here. No. Adam did actually pick up the micro. The Mondeo is here, just. The Civic is here. Obviously, that's my daily, but we'll be cracking on with that, won't we? A piece of beach. So anyway, let's start over here. This is just general waste. Oh, scrap bin, jacks and trolleys and things like that. Bin, skid tyres for doing skids, skid wheels for doing skids. Old toolbox. We got sundries. There's the bucket seat. The microbike. We love the microbike. Some exhaust, some new racking, well, it was an old dirty workbench. We then cleaned it, made it nice, repaired it. Repaired it with some scrap wood, and then sheet sealed the top of it, and fitted another vise, and it's pretty legit. Got started hanging some stuff up on the wall. Still got a few bits to go up. More car parts. Then this is my little workstation. This is where one of the ramps will be, where the Mondeo is. It's put there as like a guide.
You say Mondeo, but they don't realise it's not normal.
It is not a normal Mondeo. It is
It's got a V6.
the 3-litre V6. Oh, what a dirty old beast. But yeah, this is a fun car. This will get some love soon, I'm sure. But yeah. This is the starting to look like a workshop, innit? I think. I like it.
On this day, it'll all begin.
But yeah, so that is the workshop all done. Oh, it's even got flash. Why has it got flash on? I don't know. But yeah, that's all the workshop setting up done for the time being until we've got more equipment. I suppose the next step is to start building some fucking race cars.
You're going to get rid of the Honda.